Good morning friends, my name is Bhavik. Today I am going to tell you a story of English. The name of the story is The Cooking Competition. Ben and Charlotte was participating in a cooking competition at their school. Everyone had to make a simple sandwich yet but tasty sandwich and salad. Charlotte was busy in making her sandwich, but his bottle of sauce fell on the ground and shattered into pieces. But now Charlotte has not anything to put on her sandwich, because of his all sauce was spilled on the ground. So the Ben offered his bottle of sauce to Charlotte. Neither one of them was won the competition, but Ben was awarded for his kindness and being helpful. Thank you. And the moral of the story is good deeds never get unnoticed. Thank you. You are doing it nice. Please subscribe my channel and like, share, comment my videos. Thank you.